Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about fatty acid synthase complex. In yeast, mammals and birds, the synthetase enzyme system is known as the fatty acid synthase complex. Synthetase enzyme system in yeast, mammals and birds. These are known as fatty acid synthase complex. It is a multi-enzyme complex. Multi-enzyme complex. And it is made up of an ellipsoid dimer of two identical polypeptide monomeric units, that is monomer 1 and 2. So it is a dimer. This multi-enzyme complex is a dimer. It consists of monomer 1 and monomer 2. These are arranged in a head to tail fashion. Each monomeric unit contains 6 enzymes and 1 ACP. ACP means acyl carrier protein. This ACP has an SH group in the 4-phosphopentadiene moiety. ACP has SH group in 4-phosphopentadiene moiety. Then another active SH group is present in the cysteine moiety of the enzyme ketoacyl synthase. Ketoacyl synthase. It is a condensing enzyme. Then this is referred as cysteine SH or cis SH. This is pan SH. Here it is cis SH. So we will see it diagrammatically. That is, it contains two monomers, monomer 1 and monomer 2. These two monomers are arranged in anti-parallel fashion. That is, enzymes are ketoacyl synthase, then acetyl transacylase, then ketoacyl reductase, then comes 3-hydroxy dehydratase, then comes enoyl reductase, then ACP and thioesterase. Here cysteine SH. This is known as cis SH. Here in ACP it is 4-phosphopentadiene SH. 4-phosphopentadiene SH. It is known as pan SH. This is the first monomer, monomer 1. Then in the next monomer, that is arranged as in anti-parallel fashion. So here it comes ACP SH 4-phosphopentadiene ACP. Here thioesterase. Then comes enoyl reductase, then 3-hydroxy dehydrogenase, then ketoacyl reductase, then comes acetyl transacylase, then this ketoacyl synthase. So here cysteine SH in ketoacyl synthase. This is monomer 1. This is monomer 2. This is one enzyme complex. Here this is condensing unit. Ketoacyl synthase, acetyl transacylase and ketoacyl reductase. It forms the condensing unit. Condensing unit. Then this dehydratase, enoyl reductase and ACP. It forms reduction unit. Reduction unit. And this is releasing unit. Thioesterase is releasing unit. Here this 4-phosphopantethine in ACP, enoyl reductase and dehydratase. It is reduction unit. Reduction unit. Here it is condensing unit. And here this is releasing unit. Releasing unit. Thioesterase is releasing unit. So this is the entire structure of fatty acid synthase complex. It contains 6 enzymes: ketoacyl synthase, acyl transacylase, ketoacyl reductase, 3-hydroxy dehydratase, enoyl reductase, thioesterase and one ACP, that is acyl carrier protein. The complex is functional only when the 2 monomeric units are in association with each other. So if it is in association with each other, it will be functional. Complex will be functional. The functional activity is lost when they are dissociated. In a dimer form, the complex and the entire complex synthesizes 2 molecules of palmitic acid. 2 molecules of palmitic acid. So it contains ACP. That is, ACP is a single polypeptide chain. ACP means it is a single polypeptide chain. It contains 77 amino acids. ACP means acyl carrier protein. It contains 77 amino acids. A serine moiety of this peptide chain is in combination with association with the phosphopantethine. Serine residue is in combination with phosphopantethine. The SH group of this pantethine moiety takes active part in the synthesis of fatty acid. So this SH group takes active part in the synthesis of fatty acid. Then next enzyme is acetyl-CoA carboxylase. Acetyl-CoA carboxylase. This is also involved in the fatty acid synthesis. Acetyl-CoA carboxylase. It is also a multi-enzyme complex and it contains biotin carboxylase, biotin carboxyl carrier protein, trans carboxylase and regulatory allosterase site. So this coming to this fatty acid synthase complex, ACP has an SH group. This ACP has an SH group in the 4-phosphopantethine moiety. It is referred as pantothenol SH or pan-SH. Then another active SH group is present in the cysteine moiety of the ketoacyl synthase enzyme and it is known as cystenyl SH or cis-SH. Cis-SH and pan-SH. This pan-SH of one monomeric unit is in close proximity to the cis-SH of another monomeric unit and vice versa. Here also in the first monomeric unit the cis-SH is in close combination with the pan-SH of monomer 2. In each monomeric unit, the enzymes are 3-ketoacyl synthase, then transacylase or acetyl transacylase, ketoacyl reductase, then 3-hydroxy dehydratase, enoyl reductase, thioesterase and this ACP. So, this is about fatty acid synthase complex. This is today's topic. Thank you for watching.